I created my website on the topic of barcodes and explore their technology. Barcodes are optical, machine-readable representations of data that usually describe something about the product that carries the barcode. In order to create my domain name, I performed a whois lookup to see if my last name was taken for a domain name. I researched information on my topic to develop an understanding of the innovation. After I had enough information, I logged into my cPanel account and began to create a cover page, which is also known as index page. From here, I edited the page, added the HTML5 doc type and the UTF-8 charset meta tag. I titled the document and added my animation that I created in Pixlr. I wrote a blurb about my topic and created an ordered list of the sections there would be in my website, including purpose, effects and impact, technical aspects, relationship to data, and references. In order to create my logo here, I use Pixlr. The logo includes my project title, an image that represents my topic, a transparent background, and the use of at least 2 different colors. To create this, I selected New Image on Pixlr and titled it Logo. I adjusted the width and height to 800 by 600 and made it transparent. This is the logo, by the way. I found a picture on Google of a barcode and made sure it was .png so it would be transparent without a white background. I copied the image I imported and pasted it into Pixlr. I adjusted the size and added a text box saying my barcode and also my name, which formed my logo. I saved it to my computer to put it in my web page later. I then began to create my banner. To do this, I opened a new picture file, titled it My Banner, and changed the dimensions to 800 by 200 so it would be short in width and long in length, or long in width and short in length to represent a banner. It includes the title of my project, that included my innovation topic, my name, my logo I had just created, and the use of a filtered image background. To do this, I played around with the filters and chose a mixture of a number of filters in order to make the picture of the barcode, or the barcode lasers in the back, more interesting. Next, I created my GIF animation, which is here. This is basically a number of pictures that flash back and forth, creating a slideshow. The images of my GIF include a picture of myself, right here, my logo, and an image related to my topic. I chose an image of a barcode scanner. I used easygif.com to create it. I uploaded it to Pixlr and changed the delay time to 150 and named the final animation myAnimation.gif. Starting on my purpose page, the first question asks, which is question A, asks, describe the process you use to find the information that you use in your project. This should include an explanation of the research tools and search terms used. For my answer, down here, I explained the survey that my classmates took and how their answers provided me with lots of information and gave me a general understanding of how familiar people typically are with barcode technology. I then explained how I learned there were many other uses for barcodes in society than I originally thought. I used search terms like impact of barcodes and barcode scanners to find my information. The next question is on the impact page, and it's question B, and it says to explain a benefit and or harmful effect of the innovation. For my answer, I explained that there are many obvious advantages of barcodes, including the reduction of human error, organization, saving time, and convenience. There are also some disadvantages, including their price paired with a barcode scanner, and the possibility of a wrinkled or soiled barcode that can result in wasting the time that would have been saved with the use of the barcode, because the cashier or whoever is using the barcode has to enter the information in manually, which takes more time. Question C asked me to explain the impact that the innovation has on society, economy, and or culture. In my answer, I elaborated on how many settings barcodes can be found in, including businesses, hospitals, grocery stores, and more. I included a video right here of a small business owner talking about how her company takes advantage of barcode technology. I used my iPhone to record this video and edit it using the iMovie feature on my computer. And I'm going to play the video now.
In my company, a fitness studio, our customers check into their classes with a key tag. It's a barcoded key tag, and it creates efficiency. The customers can check themselves into their classes in the studio, and it makes the classes start on time, go more quickly, and it's much more efficient. And we can check in many customers aside from just speaking to them at the desk.
And it's my video. And right here's another picture of a barcode. Just to see if you know what it looks like, but obviously you do. Then question D down here says indicate one field other than computer science which this innovation has impacted or has the potential to impact. Describe the impact. For this question, I elaborated on another setting that I think could benefit from the use of barcodes. That setting is a classroom or university setting. Students could sign in with their personal unique barcode, which could directly indicate their attendance without wasting time, while the teacher takes mandatory attendance, like in the beginning of class, which would waste time. And over here, I have a picture of one of the questions in my survey, and it shows that 100% of people that took the survey heard of barcodes before they even answered any of the other questions. The next page is the technology page, and question E says, describe how a user interacts with the innovation. I answered the question by explaining the simplicity behind using the barcode and how it requires the user to pretty much do nothing. I pasted a YouTube video down here that explains how barcodes work, and we're not going to watch it because it's too long. But if you're interested, you can come back and watch it however many times you want. Question F says, describe in detail how the innovation's technology incorporates at least one of the big ideas of abstraction, algorithms, programming, and/or the internet to accomplish its purpose. In this question, in my answer, I wrote how each of the big ideas relate to my topic, but focus mainly on the internet section. Barcodes have the ability to access the internet, and soon in the future, this technology will develop further. I chose to elaborate on this topic because it seemed the most interesting and I found the most information on it. And down here it says, according to the Internet of Things, customers will soon be able to simply walk by an item in a store, and their smartphones will access the internet, telling them all the information they need to know about the item, which is pretty cool. And it'll be interesting to see how that plays out. Next is the data page, and it has the last two questions on it. Question G asks to describe how the innovation consumes data as input, produces data as output, and/or transforms data. Since barcode technology consumes, produces, and transforms data, I elaborated on how the barcodes work together with barcode scanners to communicate and interpret information. It's then transformed from a code to tangible, understandable information. The last question says, describe at least one data storage concern, data privacy concern, or data security concern related to the innovation. Although barcodes are mostly very secure and innovative, I have heard of many instances where the duplication and reuse of specific barcodes is occurring. This can lead to illegal activities such as robbery, of course, and other security breaches. And here's my references page. And this one is the site that told me the most information. It told me what barcodes are. It tells me how the anatomy of the barcodes work, what the numbers mean, and basically everything you need to know about barcodes. So thank you for watching.